In this video, I'll be showing you how to update and upgrade your Kali Linux. I will also be showing you how to download the latest version of Kali Linux. In order to update your system, type in sudo apt update. I will not be pressing enter because I want to update and upgrade at the same time. Update will look for the missing packages and make small changes to the software. If I want to upgrade my system, I will type in sudo apt upgrade and press enter. Upgrade will download the latest version of the software. Since I want to update and upgrade at the same time, I will come as my root user. Then I will type in apt update the and sign two times and apt upgrade dash y, so that I don't have to answer each of the questions as yes every time. Then I will press enter and it will begin to fetch for the latest versions of the software and also the missing packages. Now I have to wait for the download to get finished. Now my download has completed and I'll clear my screen. Before updating or upgrading, you should understand why you're doing it because it might break your current version of the software. However, for the purpose of this video, I will upgrade to the latest version of Kali Linux. To do that, type in apt full upgrade -y and press enter. The difference between full upgrade and upgrade is full upgrade will make server level changes. It will take a lot of time to download, so this is why I will fast forward this part of the video. After your download finishes, restart your machine, clear your screen, and your Kali Linux will look like this. To check the version of the Kali Linux, type cat etc os release, press enter, and you can see the latest version of your machine.